How to replace your AirTag battery. To begin, you'll know it's time to replace your AirTag battery when you get a low battery notification on your iPhone or see the warning in the Find My app under the Items tab. Once you're ready, flip the AirTag so the stainless steel Apple logo side is facing up. Press down firmly on the back cover with 2 thumbs, then rotate it counterclockwise until it stops. This will release the cover. If the cover is difficult to turn, try using a rubber grip or a strip of tape for better traction. After removing the cover, take out the old battery. Then, insert a new CR2032 lithium 3V coin cell battery with the positive plus symbol side facing up. You should hear a small chime, which confirms the battery is seated correctly. Be aware that some CR2032 batteries come with a bitterant coating, which can interfere with the AirTag's battery connection. Only use those if the packaging confirms compatibility with AirTag. To close it, align the 3 small tabs on the cover with the corresponding slots on the AirTag. Press down and rotate the cover clockwise until it locks back into place. And that's it, your AirTag should now be good to go with a fresh battery. If your AirTag still shows a low battery warning after replacement, wait a few minutes before checking again, or try removing and reinserting the battery. In some cases, lightly cleaning the battery contacts with a dry cloth can also help. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want more iPhone tricks like this.